Hi guys, I'm Ria and welcome to Explore with Ria's channel. So today in this channel you will be seeing the attraction and repulsion of the two bar magnets. So since I don't have a bar magnet, I have taken two circular magnets. So these circular magnets have two poles, which are the north pole and the south pole. So there are also two colors. So the blue color indicates north pole and this red color indicates the south pole. So let us see the attraction property of the magnet. So when unlike poles are kept together, that is the north pole and south pole, when they're kept together, they attract. Okay, so let us see the repulsion property of the magnet. So let me take a north pole of a magnet and a north pole of another magnet. So when I keep them together with some force inside them, they repel. So it's really interesting to play with magnets, of course. And when I have also took like poles, which are the south pole and the south pole of each magnet. So when I keep it, they repel. So this is a simple understanding of the attraction and the repulsion of the bar magnet or any other magnet. So let us see now the directional property of a magnet. So when I take a bar magnet or any other magnet, so when I keep the bar magnet and tie a thread around it and leave it freely, so it suspends freely and it aligns in a north-south direction. So have you guessed why this happens? This happens because the earth itself acts like a bar magnet. So the north pole of the magnet is attracted towards the geographic south pole of the earth, while the south pole of a magnet is attracted towards the geographic north pole of the earth. It's literally simple to understand. So, let me teach about the demagnetized magnet and a magnetized object. So, magnetized object is an object which is turned into a magnet using artificial methods. So when I take an iron object or any magnetic material, so when I take a bar magnet and give it in a stroke method or the double touch method or the single touch method, it turns into a bar magnet. So understand that the stroke method magnets are weak in nature. So when magnets are kept near like very weak objects or weak magnets, they magnetize, which is they lose their power. So if I take an iron rod and I keep a powerful magnet, when I keep them together, the powerful magnet loses its property and it becomes a weak magnet. So this is called the demagnetization and the magnetization of a magnet. So let me say how to preserve magnets. So magnets can be preserved by using a metal keeper. So which can be made up of any magnetic material. So if I take a horseshoe magnet, when I keep the metal keeper on two ends, the powers will get into it. So if I take a bar magnet, actually one bar magnet doesn't work. So I should take two bar magnets and keep the metal keepers on either sides of the magnet so it can be preserved. So these are really interesting topics that you can learn in magnets. And I've just purchased it like a few days ago, and this is like really interesting. I could learn more things when we have a magnet. Though listening to the video, I think you may not understand. So it's really easy to take or buy magnets or take a rental magnet, and I can see how does it works. So my father just have purchased it for me to study well for magnets. Since magnets are really interesting subjects, I would like magnets. Physics is like really a good thing actually. So if you want to learn more about magnets or any other physics, chemistry, biology, English, please do subscribe to my channel and press the like button. And if you wanted to share to any of your relatives, please click the share button and share. Thank you.